it's Ann with What's Up Homestead, and I have a quick and easy way that you can make chicken and dumplings. You can use up what's in your pantry, whether you home canned it or it's from the grocery store. I use a can of biscuits, a can of chicken, well, a jar in my case, and a can of chicken broth. Those three ingredients will give you a quick weeknight meal or a weekend meal, and you can make it in about 5 minutes. So I'll turn you around and show you how I do it.
Okay, I've already started the chicken. I used a jar that I canned of chicken, and I've already put the can of chicken broth, and I'm using just the Walmart brand, and I've got that in here, and I'm going to try and break up the pieces into some small bite-sized pieces. And I'm just going to heat it up, and if you wanted to maybe add some onion powder, garlic powder, some poultry seasoning, whatever you want, whatever you do to your chicken and dumplings, you can do that here. It's just a quick shortcut. So when this comes to a boil, I'm going to get out my biscuits, and I'll show you how I do it. And I wish I had more than 5 biscuits because I like the dumplings better than the chicken. But that's all I have is a small can. But you can also use tortillas. Just cut them up into strips, and it does the same thing, and it's really good too. I don't like it quite as much as biscuits, but it comes pretty close to tasting like real dumplings. I'll take a biscuit, and I'll just flatten it out. And then I just do the rustic way, and I'll just drop them. But you can be more precise, and you can cut them out, and you can make them even sizes, but I just do it the quick and easy way, and I just throw them into the boiling liquid. I'm going to make them a little bit smaller because I want them to go further, since I don't have but 5 biscuits. Usually, you know, they come in 10, but I don't have that but 5, so I'm going to try and make every bit count. This way you can use up your chicken without like using it in a casserole. Sometimes, you know, there's not a whole lot you can do with canned chicken, whether you canned it at home or you open a can from the store. But I usually use mine for chicken salad, and I don't like canned chicken from the store, but I really like it when you home can it. Okay, so I've got them in there. I'm going to taste this and see if it needs anything. I'm going to put some pepper in there, and I'm going to put a lid on it and just let it cook for about 10 minutes. Just make sure you taste it, because some chicken broths are different. Some have more salt in them than others. If you use the low sodium, you might need to add more. This one is really good. I think I'll just I like to add onion powder. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Add some onion powder. I'm going to turn down the stove and put it like on 4 and just let these dumplings cook. And I'll show you the end product when we get back, when they get done. Okay, been about 30 minutes and it's done. This is just a quick and easy dinner suggestion from your canned storage or just from the grocery store. I hope you try it.